Make a great choice today with the 2017 GMC Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, trailer brake controller, aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, trailering package, power driver mirrors, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.